How to trim lucky bamboo leaves to encourage growth. Lucky bamboo, Dracaena Sanderiana, is a decorative houseplant that can grow in just water. To encourage lucky bamboo leaf growth, keep the plant in indirect sunlight and make sure its roots are siding and clean, fresh water at all times. Change the plant's water whenever it becomes cloudy or if you detect an odor. If the bamboo plant's leaves turn yellow due to too much sunlight or unclean water, trim them immediately for best results. Things you will need: sharp scissors, rubbing alcohol, cotton ball or pad. Sterilize a pair of sharp scissors before cutting the lucky bamboo's leaves. Soak a cotton ball or pad with rubbing alcohol and rub it over the scissors blades to kill any germs. Trim the leaves' yellowed ends off with the sterilized scissors. Use the leaves' natural shape as a guide when trimming. Cut only the dead portions of the leaves to avoid damaging the healthy green portions that will continue to grow. Remove an entire dead leaf by cutting it off at the point where the leaf base meets the stem. Tips warnings. Consider placing your lucky bamboo plant in bottled spring water, as fluoride in tap water can kill it. Change the lucky bamboo's water every week to keep the plant healthy.